How to recover deleted photos from Google Files Save folder. So if you want to recover deleted photos from Google Files Save folder, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Files application. After opening your files, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to go with the top left, which has that three horizontal lines. Go with settings. Under settings, here you need to scroll down a bit again and then you will find an option of show hidden files. Make sure to turn this on. Now go back and open the save folder, which is right here. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to enter your PIN, and after entering your PIN, you will find your deleted photos right there. Or maybe it's in trash, so go with the top left again and then tap on the trash, and here you will have all of the deleted photos. You can go and select the photo that you would like to restore and then go with restore, which will be on the bottom. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.